In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com Subitems. Subitems are a great way to break down a larger task into smaller, more manageable pieces, all while keeping everything neatly organized under one main item. Think of the main item as the overall project or task, and the subitems as the individual steps or components that need to get done to complete it. This helps you keep your board clean, but still gives you the detail you need when you want to dive deeper. Let's walk through how to quickly create subitems using the simplest method available, which I like to call the Quick Click Guide. First, go to your Monday.com board and locate the parent item you want to break down. This could be anything: a project, a deliverable, or a task that clearly has multiple parts. Move your mouse over that item and look to the left side of it. As you hover, you'll see a small gray arrow appear pointing to the right. This arrow controls the visibility of subitems for that particular parent item. Click that gray arrow. When you do, a small subitems area will open up right under the parent item. If there are no subitems yet, it will be empty, but you'll see an option that says Add Subitem. Go ahead and click Add Subitem. Monday.com will create a new row under that parent item, but slightly indented, to show that it's a subitem. Your cursor will automatically jump into the name field so you can start typing. Now type the name of your subitem. Try to make it specific and actionable so it clearly describes what needs to be done. For example, instead of just design, you might use Create Homepage Design Mockup. Clear names make it much easier to scan your board later and know exactly what each subitem represents. Once you've typed the name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. This will create that subitem and drop your cursor out of editing mode. If you know you want to add another subitem right away, you don't need to repeat the whole process. Instead, after typing the name of the current subitem, press Shift plus Enter. This saves the subitem you just named and instantly creates a new one underneath it, with the cursor ready for you to type again. It's a small shortcut, but it can save a lot of time when you're mapping out multiple steps. That's all there is to it. By hovering, clicking the gray arrow, using the Add Subitem option, and then using Enter or Shift plus Enter, you can quickly build a clear, structured hierarchy of tasks in Monday.com.